Okay, continuing on the twist switch project. Got the cylinder mounted in here, only because I want to narrow this up a little bit so it's not so fat through there. And make for a stronger yoke that I've got to put around that thing to mount that in on the lower part of the twister. So I got this set up in the mill here. Just clamp it to a 1-2-3 block to square it up, hold her tight. And I'll just hit it with a 2-inch cutter here. So let's raise the table here. And I'll have to put the camera down, so I'll check in a sec. Okay. Taking a 1/4 inch off, about at a time. I'll rinse and repeat for the other side. Really loud until it hits the other side of the hole here. There it goes. Just barely got clearance to my 1-2-3 block. There we go. There. And I'm not quite off. There we go. Now I'm clear. Okay. Now that into 250. There we go. And rinse and repeat. All right, you get the idea. Well, we've been busy. Haven't been recording much video, but made some pretty good progress since the last time here. So I think last time I was about to weld these onto this plate. So that's obviously done now and all boxed in. Got this all boxed in here too. So hopefully enough strength there. I've got some shims that I've made for the gaps in between there. And those are heat treated and ready to go in. And I'm going to leave that till when I do final assembly because there's a whole bunch of pulling things apart and putting them together. But anyway, it works. It actually works really nicely. And so I've been working on the hydraulic cylinder end of things here now. So that's going to mount up there. But those are the support arms. I'll fill this in here in the back with a plate across there. But yeah, figuring out the geometry is challenging because I want it to limit out on the stroke of the cylinder, not bind up in travel. So I've got this. I've got the geometry worked out, in theory at least, that I should hit 45 degrees each direction and limit out with the cylinder and have 1 degree of over travel left on there. Hopefully, theory works out well in real life, and this all works. So yeah, just a little bit more. I built a little yoke here that mounts this end, and that's connected to a shaft that goes straight through there. So I figured that'd probably be the easiest way to mount this on and be able to tweak things a little bit if I needed to, being that that's not welded on there. So that worked pretty good. I've checked for clearances. Everything works pretty good, except I left a little extra here, so I got a notch out that right there to clear that bolt head. These I got to weld on here. I can do that one, but I'm going to wait until I have the upper one. These are the pins I made here. Some little grease grooves in there. That's where the grease fitting will go in there. So I got the cap screwed on there. So, up at this end here, if I drop that down, so this is going to go right here. I'm going to cut a couple pieces of 3/4 and basically make a box, kind of like I did way down there. And that'll mount the upper end. So, oh, and I want to do a little bit more gusseting down in this area down there. Make these a little stronger. Maybe I'll add a little rib in here too, something to beef it up a little bit. So yeah, we did extend this out and try it at the extensive travel, and I am clear all the way. And yeah, getting a little bit excited about it. So looking forward to getting that mounted up. I added in a few pieces here and there just to stiffen things up, a little extra beef in there. So hopefully that'll hold those ears in place and they won't torque themselves off. I think it'll be all right. And it does fit on there. I had to do a little bit of modification and clearancing and tweaking. As soon as you weld, everything kind of moves around on you. So, yeah, it's worked out pretty good so far. So that's it for today. Time to color a night and head for home.